Let's begin with breaking updates now coming in. After Congress Neta's stunning allegations, the Delhi LG has now ordered a probe into the three charges that have been levelled on the Aam Aadmi Party. The Congress Neta had levelled a charge on the Aam Aadmi Party that cash is being routed from Punjab to Delhi. Now, after this charge and allegations of snooping as well, in the latest, the LG has ordered a probe into the same. My colleague Tejshri is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Tejshri, what would this mean for the Aam Aadmi Party? The Delhi LG has ordered a probe. Take us through the charges that were levelled against the Aam Aadmi Party.
Well, absolutely. Three probes have been ordered in three different cases. First of all, let us talk about the cash. In fact, the cash that's being en-routed from Punjab to the national capital. And in fact, this is the allegation that was levelled up by Congress leader Sandeep Dixit. And on that particular allegation, that particular letter that was wrote to Sandeep Dixit to the LG, this particular probe has been ordered by the LG. And in fact, if we talk about the second probe is regarding the Mahila Samman Yojana. In fact, this is the particular scheme that Arvind Kejriwal had announced that post-elections 2,100 rupees will be transferred to the accounts, will be given to the women, eligible women who are above 18 years of age. And third probe is regarding the intelligence, is regarding that the snooping is being done, and in fact, that is why another probe is regarding the allegations of presence of intelligence personnel from Punjab at the residence of Congress leader Sandeep Dixit. So these three major allegations were levelled up, and now probe has been ordered by the Delhi LG, and now we'll have to see that what further course of investigations takes place in this particular, all these allegations that were levelled up, number one. Number two, what we are getting to know is that, yes, Aam Aadmi Party is also going to hold a press conference with all these probes that have been ordered by the Lieutenant Governor. Certainly, this is going to stir a massive political controversy because this has come just ahead of Delhi Assembly elections where serious charges were levelled up by the Congress leader. And not just that, now probe has also been ordered. And in fact, as far as this particular Mahila Samman Yojana is concerned, in which 2,100 rupees will be given or transferred to the accounts of the women staying in who belong to the national capital above 18 years of age. So in fact, this particular scheme has already been in the controversy because we have also seen that the advertisement was also published in the newspaper, and post that in that particular advertisement, the officers in fact particularly claimed that there is no such scheme that's been implemented, and in fact it is just an announcement, it is a misinformation that's been spread by the government. And in fact, not just that, but also it was mentioned that if there is a scheme that has to be implemented, there has to be a registration that has to be done on the digital platform or the digital portal, number one. Number two, we also saw that Aam Aadmi Party held a press conference in which Sanjay Singh, Atishi and Arvind Kejriwal, all these three, all these senior leaders were present, and in fact they gave a clarification that the registration that's being done on the behalf of Aam Aadmi Party and not the government, not the Delhi government, and the scheme will be implemented only after they win the Delhi Assembly elections is what the clarification that came from Aam Aadmi Party. However, there was a political war of words between BJP and Aam Aadmi Party and of course the Congress Party as well. But we'll have to see that what happens in this particular press conference. Stand by for this particular press conference which is set to take place in next few minutes from now, and the former Chief Minister and the National Convener of Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal, is going to hold this particular press conference and is going to respond on this particular probes and all these probes that have been ordered. Because remember that as far as the the cash transferring is concerned, that is also one of the serious charge that's been levelled up. Then another is regarding the 2,100 rupees scheme that's been launched. So they are saying that this particular scheme is completely illegal and investigation should be carried out.
Yes, that's the charge that had been levelled by the Congress leader. Tejshri, I request you to stay with us. This is a setback for the Aam Aadmi Party. Meenakshi is also on the broadcast with us. Meenakshi, the Delhi LG has now ordered a probe into the three charges levelled by the Congress leader.
So Pratibha, let's put this entire story in perspective for our viewers. What are the charges? What's the probe that has been ordered? Three allegations, three probes. Delhi dangle intensifying, and stage is set once again for LG versus Aam Aadmi Party showdown. But all of this has happened over the complaint by a leader of the Congress party, which is a INDIA ally of the Aam Aadmi Party. Allegation number 1, allegation of presence of intelligence personnel from Punjab government at the residence of proposed candidate of the INC for Delhi Vidhan Sabha. This was an allegation which was leveled by Sandeep Dixit. He had basically said that he feels that there are some Punjab intelligence personnel who are present there. Lieutenant Governor noted that allegations made out are grave. With impending elections to Vidhan Sabha, it is imperative that the prospective candidates are not intimidated, they are not discouraged, and he has directed an inquiry be conducted in the matter. That's allegation number 1, probe number 1. What else? Allegation number 2, allegation of transferring cash. Again, all in the realm of allegations. I reiterate and underline allegations of transferring cash from Punjab to Delhi in the wake of the Delhi Vidhan Sabha elections. Honorable LG here also has desired that the Commissioner of Police takes immediate necessary action. Also start checking all the vehicles at the border. Allegation number 3, I'll very quickly take you through this because Aam Aadmi Party also doing a press conference on the same. Announcement made by AAP to every female of 1100 per month and enhancement of 2100 per month if elected back. And Sandeep Dixit had said it's illegal. LG has noted that the WCD has already clarified it will launch a digital portal for the same, and he has desired that the CS gets an inquiry conducted via the divisional commissioner.
So an inquiry will be conducted on these charges. Meenakshi, stay with us.